Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes, guys, we have another unboxing. So excited. If you guys like anything that's bag related, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family. Also, turn on your notifications so you're aware when I post a video. And also, share this with your loved ones, okay? Let them come join the family as well. We have a little community that we're growing here, and I can't wait for it to get to 2,000 subscribers so we can do another amazing giveaway. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, we have another unboxing. So without any further ado, without any too much conversation, let's get into this video. Okay, guys, so I purchased another item. So this one I did get it from Bagriculture again. This is another, well, you know what, I'm not going to tell you what it is. I want you guys to pause this video, comment below, let me know if you guys know what is in this bag right here, what is in this packaging. Okay, guess what kind of bag it is, what brand it is, and then I'll wait like a few seconds so you guys can just get your thought together and guess, and let's make this interesting unboxing. Okay, guys, anyway, so I'm about to open the bag and let's see what I picked up this time. Okay, let me get my handy dandy ceramic box cutter. Okay, guys, so I want to be careful so I don't cut what's in here. So as I stated earlier, I did purchase this item from Bagriculture, which is kind of like my new favorite place beside Fashion File, Rebag. This is like my new favorite place to shop pre-owned items. So I love customer service and everything. And Anthony, the bag farmer, is so amazing, guys. Like, customer service is next to none. Okay, when it comes to them, they know your name. He usually will, like, if you're looking for something specific, he will get that bag for you. Okay, guys, so just keep that in mind. Anyway, guys, I'm not sure if you guys can see what it is in this little packaging, but let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Let me show you what I picked up next. Can you guys see what this is? Oh my god, it is more beautiful in person. What do you guys? So this is the Louis Vuitton favorite. It's no longer being made. I think they discontinued this in 2017. So this is no longer on the Louis Vuitton website. You cannot buy it in any boutique. So you definitely got to buy it pre-owned or pre-loved. I did purchase this from Agriculture as I stated. And guys, oh my God, look at the condition. Like this one, I probably might replace the little strap thing because it is very patina, but I love it because it gives you like that brown patina-ness, but it looks so good, guys. Oh my god, look at the inside, guys. Everyone I've tried to buy, even from Fashion File, they're like really messy or dirty, or there's a crack on the canvas. Guys, this doesn't have any of that. Like, guys, look at it. Look how good it look on the inside. It looks so good. Like, the only thing I need to do is probably like clean the sides, but literally, like, it's not even wow. Guys, this is in great condition. So this is the Louis Vuitton favorite, guys. I've been let me just tell you guys a quick story time before I end this video, because this is a quick unboxing. Okay, I have been looking for this bag. I just fell in love with it. I think I might also add the Demi Bean print in this. So this is the monogram print, as you guys know, the LV print on here. Isn't this so? This is so beautiful, guys. So I think I might add the, because I'm gonna stuff it anyway. After this video, I want to stuff it so it could hold its shape. But I think I'm gonna add the Demi Bean print on here because this bag is so beautiful, guys. I've been looking for this bag since it got discontinued in 2017. I just love how classy you look. It's so simple, it's so classic, it's so to the point. It's like a nice cross. You can do a nice crossbody if you want to. You can even dress it up if you don't want to do the crossbody by just holding the chain, the gold chain, the Louis Vuitton gold chain. There is a little bit, so if you can see, obviously the wear, there's a little wear right here because obviously it's discontinued and it's pre-loved. So you got the little rubbing right here. You got a little tarnish on the hardware right here. Hold on, let me see if you guys can see it. So there's a tarnish on the hardware, and then there's a rubbing on the leather right here. On here, same thing. There's a rubbing on the leather right here, if you guys can see it. So there's a rubbing on the leather. The leather is a little bit darker. The gold right here is tarnishing, but that's what you expect for this type of bag, obviously, because they discontinued what, 17, like 5 years ago. That's when they discontinued this bag. So it was made before that time frame. So this one is made in France, which is amazing. So it does have, so you have the made in France tag right here. It does have the inside pocket right here. It does have, let's see, you have everything in here that you need, and it's so clean on the inside, guys. That's what I'm so surprised about. The inside looks so good, guys. And then you do have the little tag of right here, the authentication tag right here. So it looks really good, because even on the inside you have like a little water damage on the patina, on the leather, but it's still not even bad. Like, it still looks so brand new, guys. So it looks really good. It looks really good, guys. So I am so super excited to add this to my collection. I'm so happy that I was able to even find it, because I mean, you can find a lot on the pre-love website, but the prices is ridiculous, guys. I was able to get this for such a great price. So obviously, that's why it's on my it's in my collection right now. Because I wasn't paying the prices that they were asking for, and some of the prices are ridiculous. And mind you, some of those prices, like the leather is either cracked, like the canvas is cracked, or the inside is just dirty and stained up, and they still asking for like over two, sometimes over 3,000 for this bag. Yeah, I wasn't paying for that. I got this for like 1,000 or something, or even under that, just a little bit under that. With tax and everything, it came up to like 1,000 something. So I am so super excited about this bag, guys. I am in love. I cannot wait to rock this bag, add it as part of my rotation. So I am going to fill it up like I stated, so that it could keep it shaped, because right now it just looked like a flat bag. So I'm going to keep it shaped. But anyway, guys, so that's the beautiful unboxing today. This is my Louis Vuitton favorite in the monogram, the Louis Vuitton monogram. I am so super, 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 super excited to add this to my collection. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.